Hey there, Graham Cam here. Today I got another little surprise for my camper. Camper trailer, cargo trailer, big silver cargo trailer. I've actually been meaning to pick one of these up, and today I found one on sale at a camping store of all places. So yeah, let's get to it. It's a fantastic vent fan. So I'm going to replace the original vent on the top of my trailer here with this electric fan. It's the multi-speed reversible whatever. It was on sale, so I grabbed it. So basically this is a 7x14 cargo trailer with a ramp, and I use it to keep bikes in, and right now it's got a bunch of miscellaneous junk in it. A lot of that's junk I'm using for projects for this trailer in particular. I got solar panels installed and wired up, two big 200 amp hour batteries. My trailer's a mess right now, but apparently there's a lot of traffic going by as well. I already took the trim ring off of this guy, and yep, it's the same standard size 14 by 14 inch hole that's up there. So I'm gonna just install I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna pull the vent out of the roof and install the vent fan. I've got a roll of butyl tape from when I was messing with my roof already. When I installed some solar panels, so those are up there already. But I'm going to use that for the install, and then some Dicor self-leveling lap compound, lap sealant, whatever you call it. There's the actual vent fan itself, all nice and shiny, cool. Also comes with a little screen, and then the little trim ring for the inside. I think you have to trim it to fit, but I'll see. Mine, the one that came out of there, was much thinner, but I am going to put some sealing in there, so I'll just get a good fit and then trim it down to the right size. So what I did to start with is I just put a ring of butyl tape around the edges of the fan, so that's ready to go. I guess I could put another layer on around the outer edge, but I don't really think I need to. The weather is looking questionable, so I really want to hurry this up. I installed these 400 watts of solar panels last week, and I just finished sealing them. I got some Dicor. The first Dicor I ordered came in black, so I don't really care. I prefer the white, but you know, it does the job. The stuff I got today was white. So yeah, I gotta peel that away from the vent, and then I gotta get the vent out, and then just pull up the fan and install it. Got all the screws out, got all the sealing up, and that's it. It's off. There's a hole. I'm just gonna make sure that's all nice and clean around the edges there before I go start installing this bad boy now. This is the this blue line is the edge for my my next two solar panels. So I got space on the roof for 2 more panels, so I'll have a total of 600 watts of power coming into the trailer. All right, give her a quick test fit. I got everything all cleaned up how I want it, and the fit looks good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside and maybe line it up a little bit, and then peel off the butyl tape and stick that thing down, and then I'm gonna drill the new holes, or hopefully maybe use the pre-existing holes, and secure this bad boy. Well, happy with the placement. Looks like it's right where I want it to be. Fits in there nicely. Alright, got her all installed, in place, and I just need to finish sealing it up and it'll be a done deal. Good day. Sealed up, closed up, happily installed, right between the solar panels. Good times. Wasn't all that hard. Just take care and do it right. I figured you didn't need to see all the tedious step-by-step processes. You could figure out how to scrape this stuff on my ear. How to scrape the old sealant off, and you know, remove screws and install screws. Yeah, so fairly simple, but feel free to ask any questions. And if you like that, yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more stuff, random this, that, and the other, scruff. And yeah, keep posted.